Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy tokens on the XRP ledger and secure them using your Ledger hardware wallet. We will go through the essential steps, from setting up your device to executing a secure swap. This guide will help you navigate the process confidently, ensuring your digital assets are protected. You will learn to connect your ledger, fund your account, and make your first secure purchase, all while maintaining robust security practices. First, ensure your Ledger hardware wallet is initialized and updated to the latest firmware. Install the XRP application through Ledger Live. Next, create an XRP account within Ledger Live. This is where your XRP and other XRPL tokens will be managed. You will need to fund this account with at least 10 XRP to activate it and cover transaction fees. This initial setup is crucial for secure transactions and managing your digital assets effectively. Now, connect your Ledger device to a reputable decentralized exchange that supports the XRP ledger. Many platforms allow direct swaps on the XRPL. Select the trading pair, for example, XRP versus your chosen token. Carefully enter the amount of XRP you wish to exchange. Before finalizing, meticulously review all transaction details on your Ledger device's screen. Confirming on your ledger ensures the transaction is authorized by you and remains secure. To maintain maximum security, always double-check every detail on your Ledger device before confirming any transaction. Your 24-word recovery phrase is the master key to your funds. Never share it with anyone or store it digitally. After completing your swaps, disconnect your Ledger from any third-party applications. Regularly update your Ledger Live software and device firmware to benefit from the latest security enhancements and features, keeping your assets safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.